Morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Hey guys, hello.
Yes.
Hello baby, called me to supervise his
It's the
work.
work here.
Okay, well, thank you for coming and helping.
I understand it because
Very
of the
nice.
light.
Yeah, I see you remove a few ones already.
Here.
Remove them.
And then maybe on Thursday we
Yes.
clean the new fish pond and then we pump the water.
Okay.
So when Maro came, we
Yes.
just transfer the fish inside.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Alright guys.
Yes, guys, check Rocio.
Rocio here. Yes, you can check me up. I'm gonna leave Hello Baby working.
Okay, maybe we stand on the stand. Yes. As we go. So we just make an exercise here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Make
But it's nice. Another tree is nice.
But I see other trees have been dried. I don't know why. Like
Yes,
that
yes,
one.
We have those two.
There's another one here.
Yeah, and this ones. We have three that are dry. I don't know why.
Maybe there is some insects down eating the taproot.
Or maybe the insects. Or with Akoma we found some moles.
Yes.
Also.
Okay.
So maybe it's that we still need to figure it out.
Okay, that's the work for today.
Okay.
Yes, thank you so much for supervising our work here.
Okay.
Yes. Good morning, guys. Hello Baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. And very special. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It should depend the time where I'm watching this vlog for today, and maybe the year, the date, and I'm just over here to update you the story again for my brother. But it's a very special story. So today we plan how to escort my brother from home to school. And guys, it was my first impression to be at a new destination. So we thank God for the gift of life. We thank God for this far. So right now my brother is joining to school. So at the same time, the amount of demand that they have, and I sold the goat, guys. You saw the videos, so I add and we paid. So for right now, maybe I'll work for the rental, so when he joined university he must be rent the house. So actually we make the research, so the owner, they need 12,000. That's almost 100 USD for the rental of 4 months. So at once you paid 4 months continuously, so you paid at once. So maybe when 4 months completed, you just paying every month maybe 3,200 like that. So by now I'm just over here, and that video is coming while I'm escorting my brother. So guys, stay tuned, keep it locked, and in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section, guys, what did you think about today's videos. But for me are very special, and man, I make for my brother to be maybe succeed for the next level. In the future they wanna help my mom, so we try to fight left, right, at the center to make sure that my brother, he will join for university, because in Form 4 level he brought us a good result. So why not? I'm just keep pushing right, left, center to make sure that my brother went to school, and as I working on my project at the same time, my sister will join. She will open the school, and then I need to escort her. So man, I'm just working like crazy, but one day my brother could be succeed, and we keep supporting our mom, I and our second brother, so which I will be escorting him to school. So guys, stay tuned. Mama is going to be scanning. So guys, we're filling here some petrol, and we continue with our journey of my brother going to school just over here. So guys, it's early morning over here, so we accompanied my brother, guys. So look. So I'm feeding the motorbike. Wow. So guys, we're just traveling, escorting my brother. So it's so late. You can see the other side, but we keep moving with our time, man. So I don't know how people can treat me when I'm traveling so far from my village up to this area. So right now we just have to go. You can see just have to go. It's so late, man. So here we go. And guys, keep put us on prayer. We're just escorting our brothers. When I reach there, I want to show you the school. Look at this bus. No, this is not a bus. A road. See? I'm telling you, it's late, man. But I need to show you where I'm heading to. Look, that's a bus. So we are in Migori, and it's a journey by itself, you know. Hey guys, so we are in Migori town. We're just heading to continue to our journey. So we wake up in the morning because to avoid jams, and you know, people are congested here. So right now, don't forget the moon. So guys, our journey continues. We almost, man, I'll drive crazy. I'll drive crazy. So we're just going. Man, it's a distance, and at night, man, we're freezing. Man, we wake up in the morning, night time. Woo. Oh my God. Woo. So you see kids are let's go. I'm telling you, we are freezing. It's early morning over here. Hey. So guys, after this, I'm going to look for the hotel and find nice, you look. And I'm joining. Let's go. Let's go. And it's my first impression to be here, both of us. So today's today, not the other day. So maybe I lose the control. Let's see. The refills. Whoa. Maybe this school found in a remote area. I don't know guys, but I keep trying to push myself. See, let's see. Maybe it's far from here, but I don't know. Let's see. But I see from the far end. From the far end. Oh my God, we're almost over there, guys. Woo! Thank you so much, man. Just over here. Just over here. Let's see. Just over here. Oh.
Non-residents mko wili?
Mmoja wa
Non-resident kuna registration form, declaration. Oscar, utaniongezea? Registration form. So easy. One go. 150.
150.
Yeah.
All right.
Team of students.
What are you doing? So 150. I want to run to you guys. Got them for a good day. So guys, you see, we just over here, and this is the schools that my brother joined. So you can see, hey, look. Woo. Yeah, I'm going to left the motor, but I'm trying my best, man. I'm trying my best, man. What can I do? No problem. So guys, we're just almost here with my brother. Look, and kids, rich kids are being passing by the vehicles. Right, let's see. See guys, rich. So if you don't have pillowcase, blankets, basins, gas, I'm going to start. Guys, we're just over here and my brother printing here our document, and then I'll take on other side. Try to look the medical center and to verify the forms. Let's see. Maybe this way. Maybe this way. Ooh. Just over here with my brother. So we went to fill the form for the medication and yes, to be approval. So you have everything here, the forms, and it's a tough journey by itself. Let's see. Let's see. You see how rich people are parking the vehicles. Look, they have been parking the vehicles. It's everywhere. But for us, we came with a motorbike. No problem. But it's good, my brother, to be studying. Maybe in the future, you can buy a car like this one. Make sure. I'm praying for you. I feel so pain when you came with a motorbike, and it's a distance by itself. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, man. So you want to fill the form for medication and all stuff. And then after that, I came to pay the money. Let's see. But I'm shocked, man. Everywhere. Medication is to fill this form and to make sure that you are healthy enough. Yes. Don't be confused. Okay. So, you want to ask anyone here to assist to fill this form. And try to remember, we left our brother behind. Look. Hey. Let's see. Hey, if you are new, I must ask. So just ask the medication area, and then one guy told me when I go this way and then cut across. Let's see. Let's see. My first impression of my brother to be a university. Hey. Let's see. So have the first gates. Maybe I think is the other side. How do you feel to be a university material? Yes, how do you feel?
I feel okay because I want to fulfill my dream.
Right, at the same time I'm just outside to chase my dream, yeah?
Yeah.
So right, left at the same time, working so hard. So maybe we head this way. I think it's this position. Wow. Even me, man, I feel so happy. Maybe one day when you make my mom to be proud enough, you know. And recently our neighbor started laughing to my mom, and I think this office here. Shao. Oh man, this is a hospital, and we're heading this way, and we need to fill your form.
Yes.
Well, guys, for me, I feel so grateful, and this is my first impression, man, to be here, and it's a far distance. We wake up early in the morning. Let me stand here because of the sun. We wake up early in the morning, I and my brother, and we left other brother on the other side, so to take care of your bag and all stuff, man. So we're heading this way. Maybe it's a public area, it doesn't allowed, and it's a clinic. So just over here looking the forms on this medical clinic. My brother, and we went on this pharmacy. So man, it's time to leave over here, and I'll just proceed for the next level. And I see most of the students went back to school. I want to say goodbye to the medical clinic, and we feel everything. So we went back to other side. How do you see? How do you feel when holding the forms?
I feel like a king. Because this was my target to reach my dream school. Yeah.
So we head this way, and you see this road were being passable. So most of the students went back to school. So we left this area, and it's a medical center. It's a clinic. Wow. Wow. Look, some construction, public farm. Hey. Hey, hey. All right. Let's see. Let's see. And I think most of the people who pass in here are students. Well, guys, we are in Rongo University, just over here. Hey, you can give us a switch comment on today's videos. Are very special videos. Most of the students have been camping, going to school. My brother is still on the process of filling the form, and maybe they wanna join later. I think maybe the month of October to November, I'll visit you one day. Yes, I will visit you one day. I'll make for you a shopping. I'll visit you. I've done for everything. But for now, you wanna stay in the schools. You wanna camp in the schools. Maybe second year, you board outside. Yes. So let's see. And I think, man, this is a hospital over here. But other side we went, it's a clinic. Well, this is your school compound. It is huge, you know. Whew. Mr. Hello Baby, I'm just over here, and I'm just adventuring the situation that people of this place faces on, you know. So sometimes it's difficult to me to explain, but most of the time I'm chilling. And there is some business going on here, so we just do local. So we head inside the school with my brother. At the same time, when we miss the gas just over here. So man, I'm telling you, here there is some business going on. So I'll just enter inside here. And sorry for that music, guys. I don't like maybe copyright. So we just arranged the line over there. So that's the administration block, Rongo University. So just keep moving on, and we shall see what's going on. Let's see. Let's see.
Karibu sana.
Karibu sana means
Kama unataka ujumbe wote umepotea, karibu kwa information desk ukaweze kupewa direction.
Let's see.
Welcome to Rongo University, the gold innovation, a one world class university providing.
The school is so amazing. Look at the flower garden over here, administration block over there. So it's amazing by itself. So just over here, amazing one. This one resembles the flag of Kenya. Wow, look, people are congested. How do you feel? Yeah, I feel fantastic. Yes. So you just focus one thing that brought you here to study. And actually, the administration block. Guys, sorry for the music. Over there, this guy was being caught by the police. You see, they're stealing money. Over there, it's under police case. They stole money. Well, guys, so it's time to go, and that's my brother over here. But we're heading this way, and you can see people are congested over here. Hello. Oh, so guys, I'm heading this way, and now I feel so hungry, so I need to look for the breakfast. At least I want to look for the milk. I feel so hungry, man. So the reason why being, maybe we wake up in the morning, and I'm using this highway going to other side. So man, the compound is so big, man. so big. So it's have the entry and the exit gate to avoid congestion. Congestion, I mean. So this is a highway. It's very clean, and man. But it depends the time, maybe when you can get out of this compound. We have so many, a million of people joining to school, so maybe you are second last or last because you came from far, and the other people, I think yesterday, were being slept here because of to catch up the line. But for me, I'm trying my best, you know. Ooh. Guys, don't mind, on my bag here I kept my phone and all my privacy because of the distance. And this is the gate over here. You see, this is the gate over here. I want to look something for eating, man. And over here we have a roundabout, and technically, let's see how time it's go, and the time is running out, man. This roundabout over here, so within here it's a roundabout here, over here. Wow, let's see. To take the milk. Another shop here. Try my best, man. Whew. Maybe I wanna find on this shop here. I came from that shop from there, and I want to take the milk, man, because that being said, I feel so hungry. So this is the milk here, but I want to find the 400 millimeter ml, but I found 500, I mean. So but I found these two, so I want to take them. Alright, so this is milk, and it's fresh, long life old milk, direct from the company. So you can cook them tea direct, you can drink. Maybe this one I will keep and I will drink later, but for now let me drink one packet. Wow. Hey guys, one more to go. By now I'm okay, and then I'm headed this way, guys. So in case you're new here on these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about. But I think yesterday I was creating the story for my brother, and if it will touch you, you watch these videos maybe until the end. It depends the year, the time, the day which you have watched this vlog, and it's amazing, man. I feel so like I can sleep, but let's try my best to make sure that my brother is under good condition, find a good hostel to sleep, and wake up in the morning, going to classes, to masters, you know. And at the same time, man, I really appreciate for my brother because he made it possible by now. For example, I'm a vlogger. My brother, he will become my teacher, and let's see for our third born brother, which course will be going to do maybe in 4 years coming, and also my sister. But I'm just keep my family on prayers. One day it will be grown now. As I push my family, where my brother could maybe catch for me, maybe in terms of maybe 5 years, just keep pushing my mom, you know. Alright. There is one guy hijacked me over here, and she feels so hungry. I need to see where I can hide. Let's see. 60.
Weka zero sana.
Here is this guy here. To take chapati and then came to pick some tea over here. But let's see. I want to show you African chapati, how it looks. Mama, chapati ziko wapi? I feel so hungry and I need to buy for her some chapatis. 2 chapatis goes to around 20 shillings. Ooh, let me see. Man, at least when people feel hungry and request, you just understand. Chapati, chapati. This chapati. Hiyo ni yako. So uko njaa?
Kuna watu wengine kwa nyumbani natafutia.
Nini?
Kuna watu wengine kwa nyumbani natafutia na pelekea.
Oh, sasa chai watakupimia?
Sasa tu nikunywa tafuta singine.
Okay. Okay. Hapo tu kunywa chai. At least, man, when somebody feels so hungry, you understand the situation of human being. So guys, I'm just sitting here with my brother's bag, blankets, and people are congested, guys. Everybody's waiting. Look, everywhere, even other side, people are waiting. Woo. So sometimes I'm feel like let me sleep here because it's a tough journey from my village up to here. But I'm so grateful to be here and I reach safe. I thank God, man. Whew. So you heard the music. See how people are being congested, guys. This is the beauty of the school, and we're just over here. So it's time to go back home, man. Whew. Let's see the washroom. It's time. Okay guys, it's early morning over here, and it's around 8:12, so I need to escort my sister to school. And the shopping which I was making to my sister, and actually for hello. Wow, there's some people calling me. And the shopping which I made for my sister went for school. It's a uniform. So today I'm decided to take my sister. At the same time, these videos, don't forget, it will be for my brother. So let's go. You heard? We sell all the goats, we remain with one goat, and then to make the noise. Say hello.
Hello.
Unatengeneza hivi. Something my sister to make like this. Just a minute, guys. I'm trying to make my sisters, because of the cold, they must wear the Marvin and all stuff. Guys, I want to know in the comment section, how do you think these videos look? New shoes, wait, socks, wait. Wow guys, that's the tank, but soon I will harvest. And over here you have mom. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So I want to look, maybe this jacket it's dry enough. Yes, I want to wear. Well guys, so stay tuned. Because we sell all the goat, we have one goat only, and the rest is going. What's up? So guys, the reason why it make noise, others are not here. We sell all the goat. We remain with this one because it's pregnant, and we decide we will not sell it. According to our culture, you can't sell things animal which are pregnant. This one here. Wow. So guys, we're heading this way, and I'm trying to escort my sister to pick up. I'm trying to escort my sister. Hey. Brand new. At least things are cool. Give 20. You see guys how my sister is matching. She was matching, man. Look. We're heading this way guys. So in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, show me some love. Load to 5k subscriber. I'm almost there. I think around 70 people to go, if I'm not wrong. So I feel so happy. When I reach 5k subscriber, I'll make a live stream on that day. I can't wait, but I think it's slowly guys, you know. Everyone, sijui nivae sweta. Ndio mama kupera sweta ya yellow. Kuja kingi. So I'm sending my sister to bring my sweater because it's cold over here. So that being said, when I reach 5k subscriber, man, I will celebrate. I will celebrate with you together, because this journey, it's hard, you know. So it's content consists of the people and energy that I'm put on my videos. Oh guys, so I'm waiting my sister, and then we head this way because I'm freezing, so I need to wear the jacket and all stuff. Oh guys, so let's go. So wear the jacket. So it's cold over here. I'm trying to walk with my shirt, but it's cold. So just 20. So I'm escorting my sister, man. So by now it looks so clean. Shoes look clean. Hey, look. What? Hey. All right, God is good all the time, and we thank God for everything, man. So it's happened, but for now, you see my sister, she was walking nicely, you see, with a brand new uniform and shoes, everything. Hey, well guys, today, man, I feel like I want to make exercise by walking, by using my foot or my feet. Today I left my motorbike. So you know, since January I was riding the motorbike. So today I'm decided I want to make some exercise, man. You know, sometimes exercise are very, very important to human being. Whew. And I see some kids, maybe were being chased from school. Umefukuzwa bana? Unaenda wapi?
Nimetuma bagi.
Bagi? Kwani hauna bagi?
Ndio naenda kufuata, nilikuwa nimesahau.
Aya. So I'm asking him, Actually, he is a boy. I'm asking him, did you send from school? He told me, I forget the bag. Maybe sometime, you know, when you are opening the school, the mind are back at home. Woo. Yeah, guys. Wow, thank you so much. So keep it locked. When I'm reach at the school, I'll end the videos there. So guys, almost the school of my sister just over here. So we almost. This is the school for my sister here. So she went to school, guys. Wow, guys. So I need to take the gumboot here. I need to take the gumboot, and today sasa hizi ni za nani maso? Mr. Gaki hizi eh? Hizi zimetoboka. Ni za nani?
Utachukua hii, kuna nyingine huko ndani.
Why?
Mchanga hizi ingia.
Hizi ni za nani?
Hizi ni za Kennedy.
This is my brother over here.
Chanlete reki huko.
So guys, we need to dig the flower garden down there to make sure that everything it's under good position, you know. Sometimes this place is some like small stones. Sometimes, man, I feel like every time 24 hours I'm very happy, you know. So we just dig inside the flower garden. Like when I mean the flower garden is to uproot unwanted weeds, like they will see inside here. It must be digging out. Hey, you see. So that's the reason why I called the gambut, because yesterday we have a lot of rain, you see. So we need to do some work over here. Actually, we can dig where we can. For example, that's my djembe over here. That's my brother's djembe, and I will just over here to dig this. Maybe these are pine trees, so we need to make some cleanness inside. You see, slowly. No problem, guys. So today's videos are very special videos, man. So yesterday journey was very tough, you know. I wake up in the morning around 4 a.m. in the morning. So I need to rush out with my brother, going to petrol station. I'm feeling the motorbike, and then I drive cruisively to another destination, man. So let's see. For me, I will enter here. Let me put my djembe. No, this is my djembe over here. So we cover this by using thorns like this. So Rio and Malaika, they were eating this pine. So you must take care. You see my brother have already started plowing here. Woo. Tomorrow is another day. We make sure everything is good. These are light are charging. Actually, are charging here. Ya vipi? Kwani hapa hakuna mtu? So here there's supposed to be a tree, so maybe I'll talk with Mr. Gake, and then we went to the farm to purchase the trees all of us to plant here. So there's no trees. Maybe the sheep, maybe some sheep eaten or goat. So for now, we in this compound we didn't have sheep or goat. So we tried to look for other way to plant some trees there or some flowers. So you see, guys, or we plant some passion trees. Actually, I'm concerning to plant the passion trees. These are mango, these are orange trees. Wow. So we have already started working here. Babushka. Yeah. Yeah. I'm greeting my grandpa there. Shikamo means good morning. Shikamo is a Swahili word, means good morning. You know. Good morning. Wow. So let's see. So I'm waiting. Actually, I'm waiting my brother. I don't know where he went. Okay, I see them filming the videos. Wow. At least per day you can dig the all flower gardens once, because we are 3 of them.
Maybe after that, you can just pull from your camera.
Wow.
So you can just see after doing the perfect weeding, actually we just use this.
So I see, Mr. Gake, because you are 3 of them, maybe you can dig this flower garden once. Because I see other guys starting from down.
Actually, you know, my plan is that actually when I want to do this one, you see that one, these two, and this one which is just coming over this side, and maybe tomorrow, because for
on
now,
the other side.
yeah,
Because you have some work to do, a lot
not
of
the
work.
Actually, Ankomo has invited here. He has a party, and he has just
Home?
invited, yeah, at his home, and he had just invited us. You know, when somebody invites you and you don't go, you just see that. Usinuke sana, kuna miba juu. No, I'm just trying to tell Hello Baby that to be down so that, you know, on top we just put some these are like stones so that they can just, you know, actually the horses are just feeding over this tree, so we had to do some protection. So this is how Hello Baby just doing this.
Oh, Buende.
Yeah. Nine. Ako chini. So that's it, baby guys. If you haven't subscribed to his YouTube channel, go check him there. Actually just trying to do an amazing job over here.
Yeah, I'm telling you, when I doesn't have work at home,
yeah,
I must be here.
Okay.
And we'll make sure everything shall be on good position.
Okay. So that's how it is. So as the time we just progressing with that, I shall just be continue up with this one. You can just see from the other side, this has just become on its amazing shape. So we are just trying to do some, let me just say, we're just trying to do amazing landscaping edging, tree landscaping edging from these amazing sides. You can just check. So you must be careful when you just come up, the tones are just over there.
Yes. Here you must bend.
Yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah, so that's how it is. So after that, he should just be removing them with the lake, which it's just over there, and then we're just hoping that. So as I just told you earlier, is that actually we are just trying to ensure that, you know, this one. So we should just I'm just trying to cover these this front praise over here, so that it can just be on its perfect way. As you can just see, my brother from the other side, he's just doing amazing job from the other side. So and these one they're just affecting it. Maybe I should just be digging it. So you can just see I should just be digging it and applying some medicine over there so that it can just be on its perfect way. So from the other side, Hello Baby just on the progress of just doing this amazing work. So keep watching the video and just drop your thoughts concerning this amazing video, and your subscription is highly appreciated.
So guys, I migrate from other side. Let me show you. So I came on this side to dig, because other side I dig faster because of these stones. When you bend, you can't stand up. So you see, and I left the part which my brother came on the rake to remove out the unwanted weeds. So he just digging here, so I migrate to another side, because man, I need free space where I can stand and digging, man. So I don't want maybe to bend. There's some thorns on my back, on my head. It's so hectic. So for now, I'm just dig here. So wear the gumboot. And guys, drop the sweet comment on this video, guys. As you can see, I'm just collecting the rubbish by using this rake here. So I squeeze the rubbish and the place will remain clean. So I collect on this point here, and then we shall come up to collect by using the wheelbarrow, and we throw at the dustbin on the other side. So just over here, I'm just going on this other side. Imagine. Morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Hey guys, hello.
Yes.
Hello Baby called me to supervise
Yes,
his
the
work.
work here.
Okay, well, thank you for coming and helping.
I understand it because
Very
of the light.
Yeah, I see you remove a few ones already.
Here.
Remove them.
And then maybe on Thursday, we
Yes.
clean the new fish pond, and then we pump the water.
Okay.
So when Mara came, we just transfer the fish inside.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, alright. Alright, guys.
Yes, guys, check Rocio.
Rocio here. Yes, you can check me up. I'm gonna leave Hello Baby working.
Okay, maybe we stand on the stand. Yes, as we go. So we just make an exercise here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Make
But it's nice. Under the tree is nice.
But I see other trees have been dried. I don't know why. Like
Yes,
that
yeah,
one.
We have those two.
There's another one here.
Yeah, and this ones. We have three that are dry. I don't know why.
Maybe there is some insects down eating the taproot.
Or maybe the insects. Or with Ankomo we found some moles.
Yes.
Also.
Okay.
So maybe that we still need to figure it out.
Okay, that's the work for today.
Okay.
Yes, thank you so much for supervising our work here.
Okay.
Yes,
Good
thank
job.
you. Yes, guys, check Rocio. Okay, so guys, we move for the next trees. When I'm waiting Mr. Gaki, I want to go for the guava trees, and then right along we come with the wheelbarrow and all stuff, man. So I migrate to other side here. Me, I'm telling you here, I can't bend. So even here, they need to remove these thorns here and then put aside. You enter with it. So for now, I'm jumped to this side here. Hey, woo. So over here, I think here, and then we enter like, yo, we jump inside, and actually maybe in 2 years coming, less than 2 years, this guava trees will be giving us some fruits here, and we eat. Oh, wow. All right, check it out. So you see, so we see the final result. So that's the initial, and then you see the final result over here. Well guys, so keep enjoying my vlog until the end over here. Well guys, so we finished the work for today, and I hope guys we just enjoy it. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about today's videos. Whew. Ooh. So we'll make up the cleanness, I think tomorrow on Thursday. So we shall make the cleanness of the fish pond, the new one over here. So we do thorough cleaning inside, and then we harvest water inside here. So you see the ditch is running water going up to that way. Wow. For me, man, I'm so grateful, because that being said, my brother have already joined the school. So right now, maybe he called me in the morning, so he need the money for the rental to pay the house. And actually he came from out going to school to study, so we found the house outside because that school have the hostel were being congested, so people have already booked the house or the hostel earlier. So not only my brother, so I think most of students were being rented outside of the school, but it's near, you know. So like yesterday's work, I was working around, and I feel I could end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. Continue with your prayer. My God guide me one day. Hey, there's some fish. Look. And one day my brother could finish the school, 4 years only. So maybe 2027, by God's grace, we shall attend the graduation, by God willing. But I hope everything shall be good. So I want to say, guys, goodbye.